In a rapidly changing world where knowledge is power, how can we prepare young minds for the challenges that lie ahead? Meet Edumus, an online learning platform connecting industry professionals with the leaders of tomorrow. We bring together passionate experts from various fields, enabling them to deliver interactive courses to secondary school students. Edumus revolutionizes learning by providing an interactive virtual classroom experience. Students can access our courses from anywhere and engage directly with industry professionals through live discussions and practical projects. And what's even cooler, students can register them as elective course credits at their own school. Our user-friendly interface makes it easy for students to discover and enroll in a wide range of courses tailored to their interests and ambitions. With practical exercises and group discussions, they can learn new skills and receive personalized feedback from the course instructors.
Peale Edumuse kursuseid sain ma aru, et ma tahaksin minna Tallinna Ülikooli psühholoogiat õppima. Vaimne tervis on mind üldse väga palju huvitanud, nii et kui ma läksin veel Edumusse vaimse tervise kursusesse, siis sain ma aru, et ma pean ikka psühholoogia erialale katsed ära tegema.
We believe that everyone deserves an equal opportunity to learn valuable knowledge as part of their school program. This is why we also work together with schools and local governments so that young people can take part in our courses free of charge. The world is changing, and so should education. With Edumus, young minds can unlock their potential and gain valuable skills for their future already in high school. Join us on this exciting journey and become a part of the Edumus community today.